Bangladesh is a natural heaven. Lots of birds. Huge number of birds found here all over the year. The subtropical weather of the country is very much eligible for different type of birds, which birds roam inside the country and live on trees. And these birds are very much necessary to keep the balance of our environment. Nowadays, we found few people do bird cherishing in their home. We are observing here a home case of a young boy who has purchased initially only 8 birds, and right now his case has number of birds are more than 100. These birds are very much valuable. Each price minimum 600 taka. By doing such type of bird nursing at home, young people and domestic women can earn money just giving few time to these birds cherishing. We hope this type of effort will be more, and more bird case will be in our country. Thank you very much.